Hi everyone, Mark back again. Right, new technology number three. Had to be really uh, this one. I think it's absolutely fantastic. CBC Kids News. Now it's fantastic. When I was young, a long, long time ago, I used to watch something called John Craven's News Round. Now that was on at 5 p.m. every evening after school, and we religiously watched it because it just gave you all the interesting news and all the not so interesting news, but it made it sound interesting somehow. There's no way I was going to watch a 9 o'clock news or 10 o'clock news on BBC or ITV. It's far too grown up and far too serious. But John Craven's News Round aired the same topics, but they actually made it semi-fun. So yeah, it was good. So this really reminded me of my childhood days, if you like. So CBC News, it's got something for everyone. Hot topics, coronavirus, Halloween, Remembrance Day, Black Lives Matter, climate change. Yeah, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. It's got loads of stuff. I didn't have to sign up for anything. I just literally found it on the web. Um, it's fantastic. It's got everything for everybody, really. Just click on what you want. I won't click on anything too serious. Okay. Um, it just, it's fantastic. It's got something for everybody. So there you go. Free layer mask now. Here's how to make one. Okay, everybody should know this on a Monday night after work. Okay, right. Why select a particular resource? Fun for the kids, and something to pull kids into the digital world and to make them aware of what's going on in the world today, which I think is great without being too serious. Serious, but not too serious. What's your purpose? Well, to make the kids aware, like I just say. Intended audience, yeah, the youngsters, students, teens, possibly. Yeah, up to teens. What two IST standards even? Okay, I went for, let's have a look, 1C and 1D. Citizenship advocate. 1C, model digital citizenship by critically evaluating online resources and contribute to positive social change. Yeah, that seems to fit in that one quite nicely. And 1D, cultivate responsible online behaviour, safe, ethical and legal use of technology. Obviously these sites are vetted, so yeah, that seems to fit in nicely there as well. It seems a short video, this one, which is quite good for you guys listening to me rambling. Yeah, that's all of it really. Good site, good for kids, good to keep them updated with all the information what's going on in the world, good and bad. And yeah, I'd certainly use it and recommend it. It's great. I've never seen it before, so yeah, awesome site. Okay, thanks very much. See you for number 4.